Hello, the question here is R, S, and T with capitals of 80,000, 50,000, and 60,000 are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio 4 is to 3 is to 1. And capitals are fixed. Okay. The accountant by mistake charged interest on capital at the rate of 9% instead of 5%. यानी यहाँ जो पार्टनर्स हैं जो अप्रोप्रिएशन किया गया तो इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल भूल से 9% दे दिया गया है जबकि देना चाहिए था 5%। तो इस गलती को ठीक करने के लिए डू वर्किंग एंड पास नेसेसरी एडजस्टमेंट एंट्री। तो हाउ वी विल सॉल्व इट, लेट अस सी द सॉल्यूशन। For this I have to go to camera and what was in the question? There are three partners, yes, R, S and T. Okay, so interest on capital given. Okay, what given? Let us come to the question. R equals to 80,000 into 9 by 100. R equals to 80,000 into 9 by 100, that is 7,200. Okay, again see, S will be given 9% of 50,000. We are doing the wrong work what they have done. Okay, so S 50,000 into 9 by 100 is equal to 4,500. And T, what is the capital of T? Key is 60,000 into 9%. Okay, 60,000 into 9 by 100, so it is 5,400. So here we are taking PL appropriation. Why I am telling you कि प्रॉफिट में से जो भी प्रॉफिट हुआ होगा पहले उसमें से 7,200 इंटरेस्ट एंड कैपिटल ग्रुप में गया होगा, 4,500 एंड 5,400 तीनों मिलकर कितना चला गया? तो 7 + 4 11, 11 + 5 16, 16 + 600 + 500, 17,100 was the profit given away as interest on capital at the rate of 9%. So what happens after this? Since capital is fixed, wrong balance of partners current account, this is appropriation column. Okay, so R's credit balance is showing 7,200, S will show 4,500 and T's will show 5,400. Okay, this is the wrong balance. And since profit is not given, so in that case we will take this, the total interest on capital, as the total profit. Now we are doing the correct work. What should be the correct work? The question said that instead of 5%, yani the correct interest on capital, correct interest on capital at the rate of 5%. So 80,000's 5%, 4,000, 50,000 5%, 2,500, and 60,000 5%, 3,000 should have been credited to their current account. And as a whole, all these three amount will deduct profit because that is charge against profit, that is an appropriation profit. So 4,000 plus 2,000, 6,000, 6,000 plus 3,000, 9,500. Okay, so out of 17,100, 9,500, 4 to 6, 6, 3, 9,500. Okay, so 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 11 minus 5, 6, 16 minus 9, 7,600 is the डिविजिबल प्रॉफिट अवेलेबल. क्योंकि हमने क्या बोला कि इस क्वेश्चन में प्रॉफिट नहीं दिया होता. व्हाट वी हैव अज्यूम्ड, जितना इंटरेस्ट एंड कैपिटल ग्रुप में पहले दिए हैं उसी सबको प्रॉफिट मान लिए. तो टोटल प्रॉफिट 17,100. तो पहले वो पूरा इंटरेस्ट एंड कैपिटल ग्रुप में चला गया था. अब इंटरेस्ट एंड कैपिटल तो सही से अगर करते 5% के हिसाब से तो 9,500 ही इंटरेस्ट एंड कैपिटल ग्रुप में माइनस होता इससे प्रॉफिट से. और उन लोगों के कैपिटल के क्रेडिट साइड में ये सब क्रेडिट होते जाता. अब ये जो प्रॉफिट बच गया डिविजिबल प्रॉफिट, ये भी हम इन तीनों पार्टनर्स में बांटेंगे. शेयर ऑफ प्रॉफिट कैसे बांटेंगे, व्हाट वाज देयर रेशियो, लेट अस सी. आर एस एंड टी विथ कैपिटल्स आर शेयरिंग प्रॉफिट्स एंड लॉसेस इन 4:3:1. ओके, तो 4:3:1. तो let us divide 7,600 by 43718 by divided 8. So if we divide it by 8, what happens? 8 9 ja 72, 4085 ja 40, 950. Now if you multiply 950 by 4, so it will come to this his share. If you multiply by 3, then it will come to S share, and if you multiply by 1, it will come to. So let us first multiply by 1. 951 ja 950 should be the credit in partner's current account of T as share of profit. 953 ja is 2850. 93 ja 2700, 53 ja 150, so 2850 should be credited to S current account. And 954 ja 9 4 ja 36, 54 ja 200, that is 3,800 should be credited as to R's current account. So what happens, 4,000 as interest on capital and 3,800 as interest as share of profit. What total amount is credited? 437,800. Okay, 2,500 and 2,000, 4,500 plus 800, 5,350, 5,350, and here 3,950. This is the correct balance of current account because capital is fixed. So the correct balance of R's current account should have been 7,800, but wrongly it is 7,200. So what we have to do, we have to correct this to reach to the correct position. तो गलत में है बैलेंस आर का 7,200, सही कह रहा है कि होना चाहिए 7,800, यानी इसमें और 600 प्लस करेंगे तो यहाँ पे हो जाएगा प्लस 600, तो यानी इसको क्रेडिट करना पड़ेगा. ओके, देन इट विल 7,200 में अगर हम 600 प्लस कर देंगे तो क्या होगा, ये यहाँ आ जाएगा, करेक्ट पोजीशन में आ जाएगा. ओके, मैंने ये यहाँ पे समझिए, इसमें प्लस 600 करना पड़ेगा क्रेडिट, तो ये इस स्थिति में आ जाएगा करेक्ट पोजीशन में. इसका एस का करेक्ट पोजीशन क्या है, व्हाट इज़ द करेक्ट पोजीशन ऑफ एस? द करेक्ट पोजीशन इज़ 5350, बट व्हाट इज़ द रॉन्ग पोजीशन? 4,500. तो व्हाट इज़ द प्रॉब्लम हेयर? द प्रॉब्लम इज़ it is again lesser than the standard. What is the problem? 850 should be credited here, then it will reach here. But in the case of T, what happens? T's credit balance should have been 3,950, but it is 5,400. It is more than this. So if we subtract 1,500 from this one, this will become 3,950. So that means 1,450 debit. This should be minus 1450. So what will happen? 54,000 divided minus 1400. Sorry, 1400. Yes, 4,000 and again 50. Then it comes to 3,950. So what happens? Whose current account is debited? T's. So journal entry, adjustment entry we have to pass. Adjustment entry will be T's current account debit 1450 to S credit 600 to R. To R's current account credit 600 and to S current account credit with what much amount? 850. This is the adjustment entry. See, the credit total is equal to debit total 850, 600, 1450, 1450. Okay, thank you.